welcome back to my channel. It's me, BiBi, and this is my channel, BiBi Book. So if you are watching this video, you already know it's about to go down. This is my New York City apartment tour, and basically this is the living room of it, so enjoy. Yes, this is the front door, and straight away, don't even at me, I know, I hate how ugly and brown this door is, but you know what, it's a front door, it's supposed to be functional, not fashionable. And I got this hardware from Home Depot, and I've realized since there was already kind of gold hardware in the apartment, like the doorknob, and I got this, and this was obviously gold, I figured, you know what, the theme of the apartment will actually be kind of like a pink, gray, gold color scheme. So I got this from CB2, and this is just a cute little wall pocket. I usually put my keys in there, I put my earphones in there, pretty much all of the little bits that I need right before I leave the house. So as soon as you walk in from the doorway, you are right in my living space. This is my living space as a whole. I also have my bedroom. My bedroom is to the left here, but I'm going to show you guys that separately. So yeah, as you walk straight in, the first thing obviously that you bump into is my futon. Futon is pretty much like a sofa bed. So this actually folds out and turns into a bed that somebody could sleep on in case I have mates or family over. Now the futon is from Target, but on the futon I also have this kind of off-white throw from Target also. So as I said, the theme of my apartment is gold, pink, and gray for the most part. So I wanted like colors that would obviously tie into that. The futon I got from Target, pretty functional, pretty cheap, but I thought that I could class it up with, you know, a throw and also the kind of cushions that I got. Each and every single one of these cushions are from Amazon, and don't you worry, I will link them all in the description box below. So I got two pink, blush pink, kind of corduroy-ish cushions, and they were the only two matching pair that I got. Everything else was individual. I just wanted something that would tie all the cushions in together as opposed to having each and every cushion being different, if that makes sense. So the reason why I was so hesitant in recording this video in the first place was because over my couch I have this huge empty space, and I really was looking for the right wall art to put above it. I was very hesitant in putting just any wall art because I wanted something that would speak to me. So hesitant that I didn't record it for the whole year that I was here, and now I'm leaving and it's like, this has been empty for the whole time, might as well just record it now. So moving on to this corner, there's not a lot going on, to be honest with you guys. Standard radiator, I have my yoga mat here, I do yoga some mornings, I just kind of like move my coffee table to the side, set up the total station, and I put yoga on the TV, and I just kind of like follow along. Above is my clock, also from Amazon. I don't know if I really like it, to be honest with you, but it's functional. It's black marble. I've realized that I have a thing for black marble, so we've got matching case and matching clock. Isn't that cute? And then there is my window. Love my apartment because my apartment has got really high ceilings. It's got 12-foot ceilings, so it really feels probably a lot bigger than it actually is. Only thing is, obviously, having 12-foot ceilings, it's really difficult finding curtains or drapes that work with you. So initially, my apartment actually came with these shutters. Not that there's anything wrong with them, but I just didn't think that they really fit my aesthetic. So I had to get the poles for myself. The poles I got from Home Depot. And then I got the curtains for myself as well, which is really light. Because I'm all about light. I'm all about letting light flow through your apartment. So you can see, even if I have them shut out, some light still manages to get through. I decided to keep the shutters on this one window as opposed to that window because I felt as though I really only need them on one. My bedroom is like directly across the room from this window as opposed to this window, so I just decided to take this out. So moving on from the curtains, and they're really nice and long and white, which I like. I have this cute little situation. It's like a hanging notice board / picture frame. Got it from Primark over here in Brooklyn, and I put pictures up on it. I will probably try and get more pictures and replace some of the pictures that I have there already. I have my accent couch. It is fabulous, also from Target. My accent couch is this tufted blush pink velvet couch, I teamed it up with a throw that I got from Primark over here. That was like $15 or something. And also a cushion, a love heart cushion that I got from Target over here also. So yeah, with that it looks just as nice. And I was on Amazon one day and I realized that, you know what, I need an ottoman. I need something to rest my feet on as I watch TV or on my laptop or doing whatever I'm doing. And I saw this faux Mongolian fur ottoman on Amazon and it was about $50, and I waited about 3-4 weeks for it to arrive. But I really think it's just like the perfect accessory in my living room. I put my laptop on there, drinks on there if I don't want to use a coffee table. Luxury lit mirror, LED mirror. It plugs in, it has a dimmer, so I can actually change how bright the light shines. I don't know if you can tell. Okay, yeah, you can tell. So I can actually change the brightness of the light, and it is perfect for selfies, perfect for taking lots of pictures, and yeah. My rugged stuff is from Target. All the links for these will be in the description box below. And then we have my coffee table. So the coffee table is actually from West Elm. It is the stained mirrored herringbone coffee table. And I liked to put a few things on it. So right there, you see my Khloe Kardashian inspired cookie jar with Malibu, which is like my favorite drink. I have my can of pineapple in the kitchen. Moving to the right, you see my current reads. I got to make a lot of connections with V Magazine. So they gave me a magazine with some shirts, and this is pretty cool. I mean, V Magazine is pretty amazing, let's not lie. And then also I went to this Hotel Man Repeller event. And at the event, they were giving out free mints. So if I have a guest and they want mints, they can just get mints. On my coffee table also, you'll see these little sachets here. So yeah, I use this to light my Palo Santo. And if you don't know it, Palo Santo, it's almost like sage, except where sage gets rid of like all the spirits or whatever, Palo Santo only gets rid of evil spirits. This is a bowl that I get, and this is where I burnish, and I got this from CB2. Right under, this is probably my favorite buy, and these are quartz coasters that I got from Anthropologie. I got these from Anthropologie, and I think these were $14 a piece, and I just think that they're fabulous. Next, I've got my babies. So I got this Madagascan vanilla candle. I got this from Primark over here. Next, I got my cactus from Target. I call her Cecilia the cactus. Last on my coffee table, I got the set of 3 candles, and I actually got this from IKEA. My television is pretty much just plopped up on the mantelpiece. I just figured that was the best place for me to keep it. Believe it or not, actually, behind my television is an actual mirror. Lamp right beside it I actually got from, I found it on the sidewalk actually. This is a sidewalk treasure. So above my television, I've got the 3 candles that I was telling you guys about from IKEA. They've gathered quite a lot of dust because I don't really spend a lot of time up here. I have a little frame so you can enjoy the little things. And then I've got my little books. And then behind it, I've actually got this book. And it's called The Curse of Love, and it's by Ellen de Botton. This is pretty much like the last thing in my living room. Funny thing, got this bookshelf itself from Craigslist. It sold for about $40. It was teal in color, so when you actually look closely enough, you can actually see where it was teal, but I actually spray painted this gold myself. So it looks very gold now. It wasn't always like this. It was actually very teal. But I spray painted it because I really wanted a huge furniture piece that was just gold. So I probably would have gone over it with another coat, but I was just super lazy. But yeah, I love it. I think this finished so well. Also, the furniture, the mirror, the frames that I got with it just complement it so well. This mirror actually hangs up. And it is actually originally from Target also. Right beside it, I have my Febreze fragrance automated thing. I have my Chanel bag box there. I've got some of my favorite heels here. Things that I really feel as though would really pop on here. Also, got these lamps. So these lamps were a 2-for-1 kind of deal on Amazon. It fits perfectly, which I love, and it's a touch to light up. Going down, more shoes, and then we have makeup and more pictures. Yes, you guessed it. Perfume, nail polishes, all that good stuff, and then more heels. Very bottom shelf, we have, it's a mess right now, but as you can see, I don't really have like a messy drawer, so I guess these qualify, but this is like my hair drawer. So this is where all my wigs would be, all my, well, most of my hair care products, combs, brushes, threads, sewing kits, whatever you need for hair. This is my skin care. So you have makeup, moisturizers, not acetone, alcohol, band-aids, whatever you need in here, and I have it broken down into skin and hair. I'm dividing my living room and my bedroom is this kind of like banister here. That pretty much concludes it for my living room.
As long as I got my suit and tie, I won't leave it all on the floor tonight. And you got big stuff to the nines. Let me show you a few things. All dressed up in black and white, and you're dressed in that dress I like. Love is swinging in the air tonight. Let me show you a few things. Let me show you a few things. Show you a few things about love. Now we're in the swing of love. Let me show you a few things. Show you a few things about love. Hey.
If you liked the video, don't forget to like the video. In addition to that, share it to all of your friends so they can share it to their friends and we can all be friends.